Dishwasher repair costs in 2026. Here's the full breakdown. Diagnostic fee, $109, applied to the repair. Drain pump, $150 to $300. Standing water that won't drain. Water inlet valve, $100 to $200. Dishwasher won't fill. Door latch or switch, $75 to $150. Dishwasher won't start. Spray arms, $50 to $150. Dishes coming out dirty. Door gasket, $75 to $200. Water leaking from the door. Control board, $200 to $400. The most expensive common repair. Float switch, $75 to $150. Dishwasher overfills or won't fill. National average is about $200. Most repairs fall between $100 and $400. Here's the thing about dishwashers. They have the shortest lifespan of any major appliance. 8 to 12 years. If yours is over 8 years old and the repair exceeds $250, seriously consider replacing it. New mid-range dishwashers cost $400 to $700. We repair all major brands: Samsung, Whirlpool, GE Profile, KitchenAid, Maytag, Bosch, Frigidaire. Same-day service across the Treasure Coast. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.